Welcome to Composite compression mold and injection mold channel, compression molding technology. In this video, you can learn detailed compression molding techniques. What is compression molding? Composites, fiberglass compression molding, thermoplastics compression molding, rubber compression molding. Compression molding is applicable to composites, thermosets, thermoplastics, and rubber materials. Compression molding means a process where powder, granules of fiberplastics are placed into a mold, then closed and pressurized to shape and cure. Compression molding process. Composites fiberglass material. The compression molding process involves several key steps: material preparation, preheating, molding, curing, and demolding. Initially, the plastic material, often in the form of granules, preforms, or sheets, is preheated to enhance its flowability. It is then placed into the open molding cavity. Advantages of compression molding. Compression molding offers several advantages. 1. Cost effectiveness and material efficiency. 2. Control over parameters. 3. High volume production. 4. Complex part design. 5. Excellent surface finish. 6. Material versatility. Limitations of compression molding. Production speed. The production speed is not high, making it less suitable for rapid production needs. Part design limitations. It is limited largely to flat or moderately cold parts with no undercuts. Product consistency. It has less than ideal product consistency. Higher initial costs. The cost of designing and manufacturing a compression mold can be significant, making it less economical for low-volume production. Cycle time. Depending on the material and part complexity, cycle times can be longer than other molding processes. Material wastage may need to be trimmed, leading to waste. Compression molding step. What are the steps of compression molding? Metering, pre-pressing, preheating. It still has an insert. It needs to put it in right now, and then filling, demolding and cooling, pressure holding and cooling, exhaust, mold closing, molding, trimming, finally that final product. Compression molding step. Metering material. The weighing process of compression molding time materials is a step to accurately measure the weight of the material, which is essential to ensure product quality and consistency. The following is a detailed description of the weighing of compression molding time materials. Make sure your weighing equipment such as a scale or balance is calibrated to ensure accurate measurements. Put metered material into mold and molding. Putting the weighed material into the mold for compression is a key step in the compression molding process. Here is a detailed description of this step. Open the mold and take out the molded product. Be careful not to damage the finished product or the mold. Inspect finished products. Perform a preliminary visual and dimensional inspection of the removed products to ensure that there are no obvious defects such as cracks, bubbles, or dimensional deviations. Compression molding application. Compression molding is widely used in the fields of industry, agriculture, transportation, electricity, chemical industry, construction, machinery, etc. Due to the reliable quality of molded products, they are also used in military, aircraft, and satellites. We are a leading manufacturer specializing in compression molding technology, dedicated to designing and producing high-precision molds and various compression molding products. With advanced manufacturing technology and strict quality control, our products are widely used in many industries such as compression molding kits. Compression molding is a well-established and vital technique in the manufacturing industry, particularly for processing polymer composite materials with either thermoset or thermoplastic matrices. It is used to create complex components with precise dimensions and properties, making it indispensable. Compression molding is a critical manufacturing process with distinct advantages and considerations. By understanding these aspects, manufacturers can optimize their production processes and create high-quality composite components for a variety of applications. This video overview providing data. 3 major process factors for compression molding. 1. Molding pressure. 2. Molding temperature. 3. Molding time. The result of heating and pressure as inside the mold, while thermosetting reasons, chemical and physical changes are taking place inside the mold cavity. The pressure inside the mold, the volume of the plastic, and the temperature also change accordingly. Explore all compression molding solutions and work together to create your product success. We are proud of our hybrid-driven technology, customized services, strict quality control, fast market response, material innovation, cost effectiveness, and environmental friendliness. Our professional team will provide you with a full range of technical support to ensure that the project meets high standards from design to finished product. Looking forward to working with you.